Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the NTC temperature sensor on this Beko Tumble dryer. If your machine is not heating and you've checked the heater and the thermostat, it may well be that the NTC sensor has failed and it needs replacing. Safety first, always unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. The sensor is located at the front of the machine under the filter here. To access, simply open up the condenser door and undo these two screws here. Remove the grill, and here is the sensor. Disconnect the electrical connection by using a screwdriver, and then you can simply use a pair of pliers to ease the sensor out. Using a multimeter, I'm just going to measure the new sensor. And you see you've got a reading of, should be around 12,000 ohms. And then reading the old meter, the one we've just taken out. Yeah, you can see we don't have a reading there. It's worth pointing out that the reading on the multimeter will vary depending on room temperature. So I'll just put the new sensor in position, reconnect the electrical connection, and then I can replace the grid. And screw it back in. So there we have it, one new sensor fitted to this Beko Tumble dryer. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.